we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna head somewhere north for a few hours. We load up and we're gone. Yeah, they're hand unloading all that. This place exactly that we're going to? Is it like a little community or a town, or what is it?
It is, in a way. It's owned by a couple Germans, but there's a community there all the time, about 200, I think, Nika families, and they built a school, clinic, and everything for them. They're there all the time maintaining everything.
Okay.
And then when coffee harvest comes, they bring more people in.
Yep.
But I think, I mean, there's only the two sisters, the German sisters, that run it. That before. No, it was such a cool sight to see. People, motorcycles, pickups, grocery carriers loading them up.
Yeah,
we just didn't have a market.
It's amazing.
They couldn't do anything with them. Nor to sell them.
Right.
They couldn't export them. Right. So they just parked and gave them away. I thought that was just freaking awesome. I was watching that.
Well, it's good. They didn't just let them go to waste and give them to people who need them.
Yeah, they all work for these.
Yep. Because these are some nice outfits. Look at that.
Diamond rice.
Yep. It's gonna fun when you get out of the car. Yeah, give me a minute to get out the other side of the camera.
Yeah, everybody gets
That's right, give me a minute to get set up for that. So I brought multiple cameras. Oh. Man, there's some big old growth trees in here. Like, yep. Yeah. This place is pretty crazy. We're up here in Selva Negra, We are about 4,000 feet above sea level. Coffee country, way, 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 way up. We're about 3.5, 4 hours from the beach house towards the Caribbean side, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Yeah, we're gonna be here for the day. We got some hiking stuff to do. We got dinner tonight, and then we're gonna do a little wandering tomorrow, and then we'll see what we get up to. Like, crazy. Okay, stay tuned.
That's a good idea. Salchita, yo quiero probarla. I told him I want to try it.
Yeah. So next time you can order, get a whole thing.
I'll take all your meat.
Tentacles.
Damn.